This video will explore the role of the low-noise block downconverter, or LNB, in satellite systems. Satellite signals travel 36,000 kilometers and lose about 200 decibels of power, arriving as faint microwatts. The LNB, or low-noise block downconverter, performs two essential jobs. It amplifies the weak signal and lowers its high frequency. The LNB is comprised of four main components: the feed horn, the low-noise amplifier, or LNA, the local oscillator, or LO, and the mixer. Step 1 is amplification. The LNA boosts the signal power while adding very little electronic noise. Step 2 is frequency generation. The local oscillator generates a steady internal frequency, using a crystal to prevent temperature drift. Step 3 is downconversion. The mixer subtracts the local oscillator frequency from the satellite frequency, creating the lower intermediate frequency, or IF. The LNB converts various input bands like C-band, Q-band, and K-band to a standard output intermediate frequency of 950 to 2150 MHz. Voltage controls polarization. The indoor receiver sends 13 volts for vertical signals or 18 volts for horizontal signals up the coaxial cable. LNBs are available in various configurations for scaling: single LNB for 1 output, quad LNB for 4, and octo LNB for 8 independent outputs. A quad LNB connects directly to TVs for single homes, while a quattro LNB connects to a multi-switch for apartment buildings using split signals. A monoblock LNB allows for dual satellite reception. It contains 2 feed horns and can receive signals from 2 different satellites simultaneously. For diagnostics, if there is no signal, check the receiver voltage. If the signal jumps, replace the LNB due to local oscillator temperature drift. Check for water damage if there is complete failure. The LNB is crucial, gathering microwaves, amplifying the power, and lowering the frequency, bridging the gap between the satellite and your screen.